In this video, you'll learn how to archive signed documents in Docusign so your account stays organized and clutter-free. We'll keep things simple and walk through the process from finding a completed document to safely removing it from your active view once you're done with it. First, you'll want to sign in to your Docusign account and head to the main dashboard. This is usually the first screen you see after logging in. From here, look for the section or tab labeled Agreements. Depending on your view or layout, this might appear in a sidebar on the left, along the top of the page, or within a menu. Go ahead and click on Agreements to open the list of documents associated with your account. Once you're in the Agreements area, you'll see a list of envelopes or documents, each with a status such as Sent, In Progress, or Completed. Since we're focusing on archiving signed documents, you'll be looking specifically for items marked as completed. These are documents where all required signatures and actions have been finished, and they're no longer waiting on anyone. Take a moment to scan through the list and find the completed document you want to archive. If you have a lot of agreements, it can be helpful to use any available filters or search options. Many Docusign interfaces allow you to search by document name, recipient, or status. Typing in a keyword from the document title can quickly bring up exactly what you're looking for instead of scrolling through a long list. When you locate the right document, click on it to select it. You might see a checkbox next to the document, or you may need to click directly on the document row or title depending on how your account is set up. Make sure you're selecting the completed document you intend to remove from your main list, especially if several items have similar names. With the completed document selected, look for the option to delete it. This is typically shown as a delete button or appears in a menu once an item is selected. Click delete to start the removal process. Docusign will usually ask you to confirm that you really want to delete the document from your list. This confirmation step is there to help prevent accidental deletions. When you confirm deletion, the document is effectively archived from your regular agreements view, helping you keep your workspace focused on current and active items. Keep in mind that in many Docusign setups, deleting a completed document from your view does not necessarily erase it from Docusign's system or from other recipients' accounts. It mainly cleans up what you see on your side. If you ever need a record for legal or business reasons, it's a good idea to download and store a local copy before you delete it from your agreements list. To recap, you go to Agreements, find the completed document, select it, and then click Delete to remove it from your active list. Following these simple actions regularly will help keep your Docusign account tidy and make it much easier to focus on the documents that still need your attention.